Hello global friends, Kodithan here from the battlefield. Today we are located at the 1 megawatt solar park station, and of course we are here so as to test our device power failure system notification. Let's go inside to see what we will see. Let's see how the power failure system works. We close the current and here is the signal. And here is the device, and as we can see, it's sending an SMS that we have a power interruption and our system. And we open again, and let's see how the control signal again. And the system is here. We have again our power back to our solar park. Thank you for watching. See ya. So let's try the device. Switch on. After take out the power so as to seen by the power failure. And now let's see the SMS. Okay, we have a power failure at the solar park, and let's take back the power So we have power on again, and of course we will have another SMS that is notified that we have power back. Okay.